In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to generate a Moniepoint statement loan application. Now, it's very easy. You just click on services. Wait, you don't even need to click on services because right there, right here, statement is right there. Just click on statement. Now, there are different statements, which is the standard statement, extended statement, business summary statement, terminal summary statement. Wherever you want to go to, you just click on that. Now, when you click on standard statement, you have to choose the statement recipient, whether it's yourself or to others. I'm clicking to myself. You have to choose the statement. You can change statement type from here, but it only works for two in this part. On the other side, you have to choose. For the date range, you choose whether it's today, last 7 days, last 14 days. Just choose the date range. I'm choosing just for today. And then you have to choose the file type, if it's Excel or PDF. I'm going with PDF. Then stamp status. Do you want it stamped or unstamped? For loans, it's best to go for stamped, not unstamped. And then you click export. It will generate your statement. Now, for loan application, go with the stamp statement. Like I've said, this is usually what lenders require for verification. Cover at least the last 6 months. It's best to go for 6 months, as it's a typical window Moniepoint and other lenders use to access your cash flow and repayment ability. PDF is generally the safest format to submit since it's the least editable and most widely accepted. Now that my statement is ready, I can either send to email or just download. Now my statement is downloading. And successful, I can choose to open the file or dismiss. And that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.